The DAB E.Sybox Mini 3 system delivers steady water pressure for household and horticultural setups, so showers, taps, and irrigation lines stay consistent even with elevation changes. Its compact footprint and integrated design make it easy to tuck into tight utility spaces without the tangle of separate pump, tank, and controller components. The unit runs impressively quietly at around 45 decibels, which makes it suitable for indoor installations or greenhouses where noise would normally be an issue. With about 1.1 horsepower and a maximum pressure of roughly 7.5 bar, it has enough performance for demanding domestic and small commercial pressure-boosting tasks. The high-resolution color display gives clear real-time feedback on system status and settings, making it straightforward to fine-tune pressure and monitor operation. Built-in wireless connectivity allows remote adjustments and monitoring, which is especially handy when the system is serving hydroponic or garden zones that are not always easy to access.